I strongly believe that there are still confusions about what a manager must do. The usual terms come up in our minds are output, interviews, process, meeting, instructions, and so on. All are correct. But the modern managers must have a clear definition of these terms in well-defined categories as we see now. First thing, vision and mission. They are expressed as statements, which explains the purpose of an organization, its goals, and values they follow. Setting objectives can be otherwise called as goal setting. Examples are like, targets to be achieved in a year or in 5 or 10 years ahead. An activity, or a group of activities result in deliverables, which can be measured by previously defined metrics. A manager must constantly watch the progress of the listed activities, and instantly find any deviation occurs. Activities, and its deliverables must be consistent to the accomplishment of the objectives set. The vision must include the long-term existence of the business and shall have the capabilities to overcome the challenges come across in the course of action. Internal factors affecting the survival and growth objectives can be managed by the popular tool called SWOT analysis. The second set of factors are external to the organization, and the common tool used to manage this is called PESTLE analysis. Manager must maintain the organization's efficiency in creating profit. Let's see the two important terms in cost management. Efficiency normally refers how well you convert shareholders' investment into revenue and profit. Cost control is one of the tools used for the same. Effectiveness, on the other hand, is often related to the term called optimization. This includes doing research and devise the system by which organizations do activities only that are required to do. Innovation is a strategy by which the organization look for novel problems in the market, and find solutions in form of ideas, and then convert the synthesized ideas to a service or product. Listening to the customers is the key for innovation. Ask for the outcomes of final product and do research and development. The product market came to be properly analyzed. Research and development along with consumer welfare must be analyzed in relation to the competition. The manager who has an infrastructure to measure pulse of the market can quickly find out changes and shifts taking place in the market. Modify his product accordingly to match the customer requirement is the next vital step. 2 metrics to measure flexibility. First, quickly adapt to the market changes. Second, place an improved version of product as designed by the innovation research. A creative manager must tap the imagination of employees and ask inspiring questions. Let's see how this is done. Map out phases of creativity in coordination with research and development, finance and other relevant departments. Conformity facilitates team coordination, information exchange, conflict management and collective efficacy. Exceptionally good managers build better organizations by maintaining competitive advantage despite the vagaries of the market. In a situation where lack of motivation seems to be the cause, the solution lies in redesigning their job content to make it more meaningful. Training programs aim to provide or improve knowledge and skills which can help the manager improve his performance on the job. The social, political, economic, technical and cultural environment in which the firm operates is always changing. Sharing information about the impending change is essential for devising plans for change management. So the idea of the proposed change in the minds of a few people, and then let the idea grow and build till the people themselves come round to asking for the change. Educating people about benefits resulting from changes, and building favorable opinion of key people in the organization by involving them with the change process itself. Managers build employee loyalty by treating them as people rather than parts of the organizational machine. Providing a comfortable working environment which is conducive to work helps in boosting employee loyalty. More important than the physical environment is the degree of freedom which a worker enjoys in making decisions within the defined parameters of his job. A manager who encourages open, direct and frank communication is always able to tackle issues much before they become problems. The manager's attempt should be to influence the needs, desires or motives towards the achievement of the organizational goals. A manager must be a leader and he must influence his subordinates to work willingly for achieving the organizational objectives and inspire them to put in their best effort. If the manager always gives due importance to the welfare and interests of his employees, and makes objective decisions that benefit everyone, he will be rewarded by the confidence and trust of his people. Listening more than you speak to employees and act on their feedback builds trust. Appreciation, training and consistency all add to it. An effective leader must be a man with vision, who can think and plan ahead. A persuasive manager always helps in smooth operation of organization by holding all employees together with strategic communication. A good manager must expose all employees, especially younger people, to better quality of life and look forward to achieve the same. Enhancing employees' sense of self-esteem by participating them in management decisions can explore their hidden talents. Giving more responsibility channelizes employees' potential resentment towards more productive ends. Accepting the employee's social status and encouraging to upgrade the same with a positive social cause, bring up aspiring team members. Having an understanding on the people impacted by the business organization is all about stakeholder management. Having a robust communication plan with a perspective of winning stakeholders' support and cooperation is the key to success. Plans to mitigate the risks on the impact and communicating the progress on a timely fashion results in successful stakeholder management.